Step one, vehicle is on the trailer. Now I have to turn the car off, push it back, close the windows. Whew. Race ramps, these things are awesome. Really helps out a lot on lowered vehicles. I was able to drive my Gloria straight up. I was also able to get my 240 up there without having to take off the bumper. Had to do a few extra things to the truck to get it to work, but the race ramps are well worth the price. Highly recommend buying some race ramps. They also help out in the garage when you just need to lift your car up a little bit and do some work. Get floor jacks under them, change some oil. Race ramps, live by them. All loaded up, head out to Tucson in the morning. Get some splitters made by Gorilla Splitters.